you like to wear them hoops. You can get the rock like an alley-oop.
Tala falava, my name is Eroni Leilua, and you'll be chilling with me in Torbay. We've got a whole lot of freshness coming your way, so sit back, relax, and let's check it out.
Your fave PhD students are back, and we are going to go over how to stay motivated in the long haul of study.
Liquid.
Liquid.
Liquish.
Liquish. That's not even a word. Wait, that looks like my dad.
Tala falava, my name is Eroni Leilua, and I grew up sailing in Samoa, and then was fortunate enough to sail at Tokyo 2021. Yeah, so I got into sailing at the age of 8 when we were living in Samoa, and it was my mum who actually encouraged us and convinced us to go down and check the sailing club out. And from the get-go, we loved it. It's the only sport that I can think of that actually gives you the independence as a child to man your own vehicle as such. Being able to go out as fast as you want, where you wanted, without a parent looking over your shoulder was pretty attractive at the time. Representing Samoa for the first time at the Olympics in sailing was a huge honour, and something that I'll be proud of forever, and made my family proud as well. I think growing up as a kid, you always dream about going and doing something that no one has ever done before, and I never at the time thought the Olympics was even possible, to be honest. And as my career has got on and doors have opened, it then became more and more realistic. When it actually happened, when I qualified, the games then got delayed, and so I then thought, okay, this is God teaching me that this is, you can dream, but until it happens, it doesn't count. I almost thought it wasn't going to happen, so it felt like this dream which I had kind of accomplished, but hadn't yet because nothing had happened. I just kept training and kept persevering because I was so close now, and getting there in 2021. Yeah, words can't describe how proud I was, and also the legacy that I want to make sure I leave for future sailors. Even though I am the first, I want to make sure that I'm not the last. My goal for the 2024 Paris Olympics is to do better than I did at Tokyo, and to really nail all the parts of my race that I've been working on for the last 24 months. Every regatta that I do in the build-up to the games is always trying to make sure that I get improvement out of it and work on the weaknesses I've got. And I feel like I have made a lot of improvements since then. But yeah, I just really want to get to Paris and ruffle some feathers, I guess, and show that Samoa can compete in a sport like sailing, where we're heavily considered an underdog and very underrepresented as a Pacific nation. To put Samoa on the map and to get heads turning would be awesome, yeah. I love representing Samoa on a global stage. It's a huge honour to do it in sailing. It's a very European dominant sport, and it's quite cool to bring the character that us Pacific Islanders bring in and bring some noise and, humour and bringing a bit of fun, I guess, to the game. My biggest word of advice and probably one of the mottos that I live by is making sure that you're the hardest worker in the room. No matter what you're doing, whether it's sports, whether it's your job, whether it's life, making sure that you're honest with yourself, doing everything to 100%. And by doing that, you're putting your best foot forward and enabling the best result. My name is Eroni Leilua, and this is my world.
Talofa, I'm Tua.
Yorana, my name is Sarai.
And your fave PhD students are back, and we are going to go over how to stay motivated in the long haul of study. So So our first tip is to have a designated study space or having a desk to study and having maybe like photos to help you stay motivated. So for example, for me, I would have like my family photos, even my friends, my community people that support me, and I'd have that on my desk. So then when I'm struggling, I can look at them for inspiration because I know why I'm doing it, like why I'm going through this whole intense journey.
Our next tip is to ensure that you have balance in your life. So that's balancing your study life, your work life, your family life, your friends' life, but also your life in terms of making sure that you have time for yourself. If you have balance in all of those things, you're much more likely to stay motivated because you are more fulfilled.
Our next tip is using music to study, and I know that works for me, and hopefully it works for you as well. I think how I kind of position it is like I would study, and let's say it's like long hours of the night, and you can't sit in the space of being like sad, like there's a deadline, so you still have to work towards that deadline. So you have to find creative ways to get you going, even if it feels like it's just intense and you can't do it.
Our next tip is to celebrate the small wins. So give yourself rewards. You deserve a reward for the work that you do. So for example, if you write 500 words, or even sometimes 100 words, go and get yourself a chocolate. If you write 1,000 words, go and binge watch a TV show. If you finish your essay, go hang out with your friends. Like, do little things and celebrate them.
Thanks for listening to our amazing tips from us and how to keep motivated and study. So be motivated, know your why, which is very crucial, so then you can go really far, and continue to be resilient.
Study hard, you can do it, and keep it fresh.
TikTok trend. TikTok trend.
No, slow.
TikTok trend.
TikTok
Trend.
trend.
What's up, freshies? Next up, we watch the emerging talent and read my lips. Let's go.
Malolele everyone, and this is Read My Lips. I'm Kalo Covers.
And I'm Mele Hufanga, and we are going head to head in
Read My Lips.
Let's go!
But master.
Pasta.
But master. Master.
Oh, fat master.
Yes, yes. Gout.
Gout.
Tomato sauce.
Tomatoes.
Lightweight.
Lightweight.
Liquish.
Liquid. Lick swish. That's not even a word. Liquish. Yes.
Take off the headphones.
Take.
Off.
On.
Off.
Off. Take off.
Headphones.
Take off the headphones.
Yes. Yes, Mele.
Food court.
What's that?
Food court.
Food court. Man, I'm the man.
I don't want you to win. TikTok trend. TikTok trend.
No, slow.
TikTok trend.
TikTok.
Trend.
Trend.
Box. Fit.
Best friend. Botting it.
Yeah, that's you.
Botting it. You're
Yeah.
botting it.
Yeah.
Say it one more time.
You got it wrong. Oat latte.
Oats.
Latte.
Plastic.
What is that?
Hustle hard.
Huh?
Hustle hard.
Us one. Huh?
So
School.
you're done take it off.
Take it off, hurry up. Take it off! I'm done, take it off! I'm done? Take it off.
You're done.
Because I let you have it.
Thank you guys for chilling with us on Read My Lips.
Tune in next week for another episode.
And for your information, I don't get gout. I never get gout. I never do. I never do.
Yes, you do.
Stay safe, everyone, and always
Keep it fresh.
Welcome back, whānau. We got more Pacific goodness coming for you. Check it out.
Go! Nice plan. First thing first, we're just gonna run go balls. Aloha Fresh, this is Juju Smith-Schuster, and welcome to the Polynesian Hall of Fame Summer Tour 2024. Keep it fresh. Keep it fresh. Keep it fresh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, on there, right?
The event today is a partnership between our NRL Polynesian brothers and also Pacifica Rugby Hall of Fame.
Down, get your stance.
We are here to promote gridiron and rugby as well. We're just here to give opportunities for our great kids of Aotearoa.
It's all about opportunity. All about opportunity.
Take your opportunity, step up, and show these guys some enthusiasm and that you're keen.
Coming here to see the expansion of football into New Zealand.
This year it's cool that we'll be able to just give the kids some options. Rugby is a huge game amongst our Pacifica people. It's important that we could combine the two.
There's a lot more stoppages in football.
Good job, good job, good job. What's feel like?
I'm just expecting to learn some new skills.
Lots of running, and yeah, it's gonna be fun.
It's about scouting talent. We have a lot of our boys that found a lot of success in America. Just like Jordan Mailata that came from Australia, so that's what we're looking for. We want to share an opportunity for kids to come over to America and get an education and hopefully play in the NFL.
So we're gonna go. Let's have a go.
We understand that sport's an important part in our life of Pacifica people, and the huge opportunity, I suppose, with Polynesia Hall of Fame is the college pathway they do have in the States, which can open many doors for our kids. That's why this event is very important for our people.
We see opportunities for our kids here to either play rugby or even play gridiron in the States. That's something that we can help with.
Okay, thank you, boys. We're just gonna come in together there.
You know, it's more than just the sport itself. Grow up in a Polynesian, household in that background. I know it means a lot, not just to myself, but for these kids out here. Go balls, learn how to catch the ball, and then from there we'll just rotate and we'll move around.
I've been following football for the last 2 years, and I saw this as a main opportunity to come learn from one of the players who made it.
Tackle with what in rugby? We tackle with our shoulders and our arms, right?
I'm expecting to see a lot of guys who are hungry, ready for opportunity to showcase their talent. I know there's a lot of talent out here, and I'm excited.
You never know who's watching. For that chance to just go over and make something for ourselves. Yeah.
Amigo, ¿cómo está? Si compre, si colenga, tohen kursin galingi.
And warm Pacific greetings to another round of Village Knockout! Let's So this is a game where two teams battle it head-to-head in 2 mini-game rounds. If you win both rounds, you win it all. But if there is a tie, we will then go to a sudden death round. Dun, dun, dun! Today is a really special day because we have actors versus dancers.
Kia ora, my name is Harmony. I am an actor.
Talafalava, I'm Yanina. I'm an actor and I'm also a twin.
Kia ora, everyone. My name is Nisi Godene and I've been dancing for 12 years.
12 years. Let's go.
Talafalava, everyone. My name is Lanu Leilua and I am a dancer, singer, actor, and I'm also a twin too.
So, the first game is called Wrap It Up! Woo!
Wrap it up.
So for this game, each player has to rap a line. The next player then has to follow up that line using the last 2 words of the previous phrase. Are we ready, contestants?
Yeah.
Ready? Yeah. Okay. The first word is love.
The word is love, no one else up above.
Up above, let me go get a dove.
Go get a dove, you might get a shove.
Might get a shove, and I'll give you a blow.
Oh, what were you trying to say?
I didn't even have one.
The next word is betrayal.
Betrayal, betrayal, get me out of this jail.
Out of this jail, I feel like some kale.
Feel like some kale, I'm gonna end up in hell.
End up in hell, you're gonna be slow like a snail.
It's like a thing.
Oh no, you started off so well. Guys. That means Team Dancers, they are the winners of round number 1. The next game we will be playing is called Picture This. A team member has to draw on a whiteboard a person, an action, and a location. If you get 1, you get 1 point. If you get all 3, you get 5 points. There will be a 1-minute timer. Here is your clue.
Yeah.
Got it?
No.
Okay, your 1 minute starts at 3,
Give it your
2,
best shot.
1, let's go.
A man, a girl, is she a fairy? Princess, superstar, tree, pyramid,
On the location.
mountains, on a mountain, tops, mountain tops.
Come on.
It's okay.
3, 2, and 1. Time's up. Okay, Nissa, what did you get from this picture?
Whitney Houston on a bouncy castle, drinking a juice box.
Lalo, what was the actual answer?
Jacinda Ardern.
Yeah.
Singing in Magri Arts Centre.
Let's switcheroonies. Okay, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, start.
Oh, wait.
Is that a dog?
A face. A smiley face.
It's a lot.
A baby rock.
Visuals, use the
The
visuals.
way Johnson, the rock. Who's doing this in the move? Who's going like this? Dwayne the Rock Johnson.
20
Patrick.
seconds left.
Patrick Star.
Which is
Dwayne
which?
the Rock Johnson dancing on a pole. He's hitting
7, 6, 5, you're jumping higher. 4, let's go, 3, oh my gosh, 2, 1. Scene. I'm gonna need your final answer.
The Rock dancing off the hill.
She got the rock. It was the rock. She got dancing, which was the action. She, however, did not get the location.
It was One Tree Hill.
You guys got 2 points. Round 2 went to Team Actresses. But guys, you know what that means. Each team has won 1 round each. That means we go to a sudden death. All I'm gonna do is show you a photo.
Oh.
You can buzz in whenever you want. You just have to give me the name of the person. Yeah?
Yes.
Easy enough, eh?
Yes.
First one to buzz it in correctly wins sudden death and therefore wins the whole round.
Wait, that looks like my dad.
It starts with an S.
Oink, oink, oink.
Oh, yeah?
Is it Sulapapas?
What? Oh, eso papa. Leai, kalofai is wrong. So this man is from a certain country. He rules a certain country. If you can name the country, you'll win.
Buzz.
Yeah? Huh?
Sione?
Bruh. Is Sione a country?
Oink, oink.
That's her.
Tonga.
Buzz.
Buzz.
Niue.
Niue?
Buzz.
No. Sorry.
Solomon Island.
Solomon Islands, we've had 4 guesses who are all wrong. Guys, I'm panicking.
Fiji.
Yeah. Fiji is correct!
Oh, got it.
Guys. Because team actresses have won sudden death, that means they won overall. Congratulations! Woo! Here are your envelopes. Okay, guys, that's all we have time for today. But join us next week as we have another round of...
Village
That's us, team. Thanks for joining us today. Make sure you keep safe and keep it fresh.
Keep it fresh!
My name is Bria Yama and I am Miss Hawaii, USA.
My name is Mashan and today we're representing the Polynesian Cultural Center at the King Kamehameha Day.